give you an example and we will see one program. Okay, so kindly listen everyone. So my example is one. Sorry, first we will see some simple example. For every conversion I do two things, two examples. So kindly listen. Okay, otherwise we already explained these things, so we will go with one example that is easy. Okay, so 158 base 10, I need to convert this number into equivalent to binary value. Okay, so what is the required number system, students?
So binary base.
Binary. Okay, so what is the base of binary?
Sir, 0,
Base of
1.
base number 2.
2.
Very good. So now we are going to divide this quotient repeatedly by 2. Okay, so first listen. So 158. Okay, you do like this. 158. Okay, then you are going to divide this number by repeatedly 2. Okay, so if you are dividing 158 by 2 means how many times it will come? That is a divisor and a dividend. Quotient, remainder, everything we need. Students, 79 times. 79 times we can divide this 158 by 2. Okay, so what is the remainder value? 0. Okay, if you divide by 79 2 means you will get 0 here. Okay, understood pa? So again you do the division. So what is the quotient now? 39 and the remainder 39 into 2 means you will get 78. So if you need 79 means we having the remainder 1. Okay, students understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Students, everyone others, Dharanish, Trishika, Naveen, everyone
Sir,
understood?
yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Again you have to do the division. So how long we should do the division means until you are getting lesser than 2. Okay. You have to repeatedly do the division until you are getting lesser than this base number. So now what is the answer?
19
Yes.
remainder
19 remainder 1. Very good. Then again 2. What is the answer?
9 remainder 1
9 remainder 1. Okay. Then again
4 remainder 1
yes. Then
2 remainder 0
yes. 2 remainder 0. Then
1 remainder 0
1 remainder 0. So that's all. Okay, so you cannot again divide this number by 2 because this is lesser than 2. Okay, students understood? So
Okay, sir.
we finished the division process. Now what is the answer means you have to collect all the remainders. Okay, so these are the remainders 0, 1, 1, 1, including this last one. These are the remainders and you have to collect and write these remainders from the bottom to top. Okay, start from this bottom value and write everything. Okay, that is our answer. Students understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will write this answer now. See, 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, base 2. Okay, so base 2 means definitely your numbers will be 0 and 1. Okay, so you can see now the equal number is everything is only zeros and ones. Students understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever the number, if you are dividing this number by 2 means definitely you will get the remainder zeros and ones. Okay, this is the procedure we are going to do with the converting into octal and hexadecimal. Okay, so if you need less than 8 means, that is for example the same number we are going to get its equivalent octal value. Okay, 158 base 10. I need this equivalent octal value. Okay, so what we have to do means the same method, but we are changing the divisor value. That is 158 divided by 8. Okay, if you divide by 8 means anyway you will get the remainder 0 to 7, that is less than 8. Okay, so octal number you already know the numbers will be 0 to 7. Students understood? 0 to 7. Everyone understood, pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now tell me what is the answer for this one? Like the same method, what is the value?
16.
16. No.
19, sorry.
Yes, 19. What is the remainder value?
6.
6. Very good. Then again divided by 8. 2 times. Then
Remainder 3.
Remainder.
so again you can divide by 8 or not?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So this is less than 8. So we can stop it here and collect all the remainder values. Okay. What is the answer? 158 base decimal is equal to 2, 3, 6 base 8. Okay. So you should not call it as 236. Okay. Only decimal numbers only you can call. Okay. By combining all the values. All other number systems you have to call one by one character. Students understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes. This is the value. Students, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now, what is the remaining method missing? We did,
Hexadecimal.
Set
yes,
decimal.
yes, binary converted, octal converted, and one more thing is
Decimal.
hexadecimal. Okay, so here what is the divisor? That base value is the divisor. Okay, hexadecimal. So we need to divide by 16. Okay, if you divide by 16 means definitely you will get the remainder value less than 16. Okay, so all the numbers, that is 0 to 15. So for instead of 10 to 15 we are having alphabets a b c d e f. Okay, so now tell me what is the answer here? 158 by 16. Students, 9 times of 16 means that will be 144. What is the remainder? 14. Okay, students, okay or not?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. So again, you can divide or not?
No, sir.
You cannot divide because 9 is less than 16. So you stop it here. So now you can collect the remainders. But you can see in hexadecimal number, there is no 14. Okay.
Sir,
There
E.
is no 14. Yes. What is the equivalent value for 14? E.
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 Okay. So now what is the solution? Final solution 9
9
E.
E.
Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So everyone try to answer. Okay, so this is the thing I need everyone to practice. Okay, so kindly practice this kind of conversions. Okay, just now we completed 3 conversions. Okay, so you can see in an exam they will ask any one type or two type. Okay, any, because we are having totally 12 number systems. Okay, so see here for just we completed this decimal number system, that is decimal to all other number systems. So here only we are having 3. Okay, like this we are having octal to other number system 3, binary to other number system 3 types, hexadecimal to other number system 3 types. So totally we are having 12 conversion types. Okay, now we completed 3 types. Okay, everyone understood? Students, 3, these 3
Yes,
types,
sir.
very easy. Okay, so now kindly note it down your homework. The first one, first homework, 796. Okay, this is our decimal number. I need this numbers equivalent to binary and octal and also hexadecimal. Okay, then second example, 409. Okay, so kindly note it down, students, everyone.
Yes, sir.
This also I need three conversions. Okay, you have to do two homework. Everyone noted? 796 and 409. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so then for the sake of new students, I am sharing my number again, and some students are not at all sending the homework also. Okay, so after completing the homework, students, you can share your homework as a PDF material to my number. Okay, so I will give you my number in the chat box. Students, you can get that number in the chat box. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me, right? If there is any doubt also, you can WhatsApp me. That new students, you just message me. I will share that material. Okay, because all other students having these materials.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so kindly note down my number and note down this homework, students. You can work, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so kindly understand the steps. These are the only steps which everyone can easily understand. Okay, so decimal to other number systems. Okay,
Okay,
understood,
sir.
pa? Yes. So next one, the next we are going to see binary to other number systems. Binary to other three number systems. Okay, like this we are going to see binary. So binary means what is the base number?
2.
2. So here this is the question. So now we are going to first we are going to convert this number system into 10, that is hexadecimal. Okay, then we will go for octal and hexadecimal. Now we will binary to decimal number system. Okay, so the question 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the question they given. Okay, as a human being, we cannot understand what is equivalent by decimal value. Okay, but computer no. So computer, how computer doing means it knowing the procedure of converting this decimal to, sorry, binary to decimal. Okay, anyway the human being only given all the instructions to the computer, so human being know the rules and how the procedure of converting binary to decimal. Okay, as a student we have to we have to know all these conversion types. Okay, as a computer students, understood?
Okay, sir.
So how to convert means, so first step, students listen. First step, you have to write all the numbers like this. First, one, every number should be multiplied with 2 power value. Okay, so just listen. 1 multiplied with 2 power. Okay, so I will give the power value. So first listen, then again adding with another digit. Okay, next digit will be 0 into 2 power something. I will give the power value. Then again the next character is 0 multiply with 2 power. Then next value 1 multiply with 2, again adding with another digit. The next digit is 1 multiply with 2 power, then adding, then again 0 into 2. Okay, students, now understood, everyone?
Yes,
Just
sir.
I given like this. Okay, all the multiplications I given all the numbers. See here, this is the 1 here, then 0 here, then next 0 here. Like this, I given all the characters. Okay, understood by everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now from the right side, we need to increase the power value. From right side means you see this question. This is the right side. Okay, from this side. Okay, so in the answer solution, you see the first step. I want to give the power value starting from 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Okay, so until the last number, you have to increase the power value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, understood everyone up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. So the next step, you can easily strike out those values multiplying with 0. Okay, so anyway, whatever the value multiplying with 0, you will get the answer
0.
0. Okay, so you can simply strike out this. Okay, so roughly you can strike out and write it like this: 0 plus 0, then plus 0. Okay, understood?
Okay,
Anyway,
sir.
whatever the value, if you multiply with 0 means you will get 0. Okay, don't waste time for that. That is what I am striking out. First step. Next, anyway, you are having another digit is 1. Okay, so here you see 1 into 2 power 1. What is 2 power 1?
So
2
2.
power 1 means 2. So 2 into 1,
2.
2. Okay, yes, then plus here 1 into 2 square. 2 square means what is the answer?
4.
Sir, 4.
4. 4 into 1,
4.
4. Okay, so that's all. Like this, the next last one. 2 power 5. What is the answer for 2 power 5?
32.
Yes, 32. Okay, 32 into 1,
32.
32. Okay, that's all. So now we simplified everything. So next step is you want to add all the values. Okay, add everything. 32 plus 4 plus 2. What is the answer?
Sir, 38.
38. That's all. Okay, this is our solution. Students understood?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Okay, very easy. Okay, so kindly practice one time or two time. Okay, then only it will be very easy and you can get some confidence in this conversion method. Okay, we need practice. That's all. Okay, if you do practice, definitely everything will be easy. Understood, everyone? What is the first step? You
Yes,
have to
sir.
split every character individually and multiply with the 2 power value. Okay, so I am working with computer, so that is what I am given step by step. Okay, slowly. So if you are writing in a home a note means it will be very easy. Okay, 1 into 2 power 5. Okay, so definitely you have to increase the power value from the right side. Okay, don't forget this. So this is the right side. So you have to start power value from this 0. So the this side, from the this side you have to increase the power value. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, like this. Okay, next step, you can simply strike out these zeros. Okay, no need to strike out also. You can straight away you give the 0 value here. 0, 0, like this. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Then you can multiply these values, simplify these values and write this multiplication value here, and after finding everything you can add all the values. Okay, 3, that is a 38 is the answer, final answer. Okay, so now the next type we will go. Students, any doubts? Anyone need another example for this one, or we go for next type?
So you can go for next type, sir.
Yes. Okay. So next we will see that is a base 2, that is binary should be converted to octal number. Okay, how to do? So kindly remember this is the basic method we are going to use in all other conversions. That is a binary to all other conversions. This is the method. Okay, but what is the remaining thing? What are the thing I am going to change? See, the same question I am going to use 100 110. Okay, this is the question. So 100 110. Okay, so this is the question. I need its equivalent octal number. Okay, students. So now what is the first step? Okay, so octal means that is 8. Okay, so 8 means, so what is another connection here? See, 2 power 1 means you know what is the answer?
Sir, 2.
2. Okay, so this is a 1 bit value. So binary, this is considered as 1 bit value. Every bit considers. Okay, but in 8 means that is a base 2. 2 power 1 means base 2. Then if you need 8 means what is the power value of 2? Students, 2 power x means 8. Okay,
Sir,
now
2
tell me
power
what
3.
is the x? What is the x?
Sir, 2 power 3.
2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so why I am saying this means now you have to split this question as a 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3 numbers. See the first 3 numbers from the right side. Okay, first 3. Split first 3. Okay, then next 3 like this. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So kindly remember this step. This is the first thing. So now I am going to use the same procedure what we used in the previous conversion. So 1 into 2 power something. Then add. Then what is the next value? 0 into 2. Okay. Then again 0 into 2. Okay. Only 3 digits. Okay. Then next 3 digits we have to give separately. Okay. So you give some space. Okay. Give some space. So again 1 multiply with 2. Again plus next what is the character? 1 multiply with 2 plus 0 multiply with 2. Okay. Students understood this step?
Yes, sir.
The same step, but we are giving some space, 3 numbers. Okay, not everything. See, only one plus is not given here, that is in between this plus. Okay, you see here I didn't give the plus. Okay, I splitted here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the step means? Again you have to give the power value from the right side, this side. Okay, from this side. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Okay, that's all. Again end it. Again you have to start 0 here. 0, 1, 2. Understood everyone?
Yeah,
2 power
okay, sir.
0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Again the next 3 numbers again 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So how many number of 3 number conversions is there? You have to do the by same method. Okay. So now next step, the same procedure. What you did in the here, you have to multiply and give the value. Okay. So here what is the answer, students? So this one 0. Okay, this one 0.
0.
Here 2
4.
square 4. 4 into 1 4. Okay, so like this. The next one 4 into 1 4.
4.
Then next one
2.
1 into 2 power 1 2. Then next one 0 into anything 0. Okay, that's all. So now you are getting two different numbers. So first you add these 3 numbers, then you add these 3 numbers. So what is the answer?
4, 6,
4. This one
6.
6. So 4 6 base 8. This is the answer. Students understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The very same method, but we are just splitting 3 numbers. That's all. Okay. Then for converting binary to hexadecimal. Okay. What is the method means? So what is the power value for finding the 16? 2 power which one is 16?
2 power 4.
2 power 4. So what is the thing we have to do now? So we split it as 3 number in octal. Now we have to split another 4 number in the hexadecimal. Okay. For the same question, you have to split 4 numbers. Okay. I give you the question 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. This is the question. So now you want to convert this number into its equivalent to hexadecimal. First step is you have to split as 4-digit number. So 4-digit number, first 4. Okay. This is the first 4. The next 4, you didn't get 4 numbers, only 2 numbers. So you can add zeros in the left side. Okay. So anyway, if you are adding 0 means it will not change any value. Students understood?
Okay, sir.
So that is the procedure. So the next one we have to split it and write. Okay. So see here equal to 0 into 2. Okay. First number I am going to give the first 4-digit number. This is left side. Okay. Two zeros are there. So you can add these zeros. Otherwise, anyway, the 0 into any value it will become 0. So straight away you can give this 1 and 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's all. The next 4 numbers you have to give some space. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus again 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Okay. Students understood up to this?
Yes, sir.
These 4 numbers given here, these 2 numbers given here, right? So now what we have to do is we have to give the power value from the right side. Okay. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3.
3.
Okay. So now what is the power value for this one?
0.
Again start with a 0. Very good. Then 2 power 1.
1.
Okay. So that's all we given the power value. Next we go for next step. So now tell me what is the answer?
Sir, 2.
So
2 plus
2 here,
0.
2 plus 0.
0.
Okay. Then here 0 plus next one
Sir, 4.
4, then
Plus 2
2 plus
plus 0.
0. Okay. So now final answer. Add
2,
this
6.
and give this one. 2, 6.
26.
Don't say 26 students. Just to say 2, 6. Okay. Decimal only you have to call it like this. Okay. 2, 6 is the answer. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, everywhere we are getting the different answers. Okay. See, the decimal number, the answer is 38. Anyway, the question is same, but the different numbers. See, 38 is the answer for decimal. 4, 6 is octal, and 2, 6 is hexadecimal. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You will get the different equivalent values. Okay. So you need all the conversion types. Okay. So now we converted these 3 types from binary to decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. So now kindly note down the homework. First one, 11011. Okay, this is the binary number. I need its equivalent decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Okay. Then second homework, 100111011. Okay. Students noted. Its equivalent binary, sorry, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Students, everyone noted the homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kindly do this homework and submit me. Okay. So you can start the homework now itself. Okay. I give you time. You can start now. Both decimal to other number systems and binary to other numbers. Totally 4 homeworks given. So do all the conversions and submit the answer to me. Okay. Tomorrow we will see next two types. Students, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So who are all marked the homework, kindly raise your hand. Noted the homework means raise your hands. It's like a very good. What about remaining students? Ashwath, Harish, Hanish, Hitesh, Jagadeep, Kavin, Sanjay. Lot of students are there. Students, kindly note down the homework and submit the answer.